If you want to hear what nail polishes I used this month and what my plan is for 2021, then stick around. Hi there, it's Hélène and welcome or welcome back to HMM Makeup or Makeup. I am so excited to talk nail polish, and I have to say I've had a few of you influencing me when it comes to nail polish throughout the year. You know who you are. You know who you are. At least one person just got named. And I do want to keep doing nail polish, a focus on nail polish at least once a month on this channel. And as you would know if you have been following this channel for a couple of years, this was my second Mini Mani month. And I missed my opportunity to get the Mini Mani month at Sephora Canada. It sold out before it even had a chance to go on sale. And I was waiting because I am a sale girl, and well, it never came. As a matter of fact, I'll just check to make sure it's not even available still at Sephora because I don't want to be a liar. So let me just check. I was pretty sure, but I can confirm that, yeah, the Mini Mani month is not at Sephora. So this is what it normally looks like. This was the one going into 2020. The one going into 2019 was more of a pink box. And so the nail polishes I'm going to show you are nail polishes that came from the Ciaté boxes, either from this year or from last year. And what I'm doing now is I am using the colors that I have selected at random from each of the previous two advent calendars. So let me show you the combinations that I did this past month. One combination I had was one that I had just picked out from the last set of selections. I picked 3 items in the last selection and just decided, because there was one item missing, I picked the 3 of the 4 that were available to me and just decided not to do a selection video this month, but I can still show you all of the products that I used. So in this case, I have Palm Springs, which is a new one that I picked, like I said, last month. And then Gilded Goddess, which is also one that I picked. And what I did was I just combined the two. And I think that worked really well to have the gold accent on a couple of fingers with the blue on. And I thought it looked pretty neat. And of course, this gold color for a festive feel I thought was perfect. Next up was a combination that I used not that long ago, and I really enjoyed it, so I did it again. And this is Pepperminty, which is kind of a mint green, a very pastel-y mint green. And then this one is Splash. And Splash I put over top Pepperminty as basically a topper, and not just on the ring finger, but on all fingers. And I really think that combo is particularly beautiful and will definitely pair these two again, no question. Another set that I enjoyed pairing were these two. So Paparazzi is a gorgeous, gorgeous color. It's kind of between a brown and a burgundy. It's very, very pretty. And then this one is Paradise Lost. And Paradise Lost looks great as a topper for the ring finger over Paparazzi. It's a very pretty combo, and every time I wear Paparazzi and I choose to have a combo like this on the ring finger, I'm always very satisfied with the manicure I give myself. So yeah, great, great combination. Then I had this combo, and this combo I went a little bit crazy. I did, and somehow this is not bubbling on me like it used to, so this is a really good thing. So I have Kiss Chase and Shooting Star, which of course goes really well with the name. And I also used a couple of decals that came with the Ciaté London box from last year. And I have learned to enjoy decals, and I wear them once in a while. So I had this topper on the ring finger on one hand and on the pinky on the other hand. And did the reverse with decals for each hand. So the ring finger and the pinky had something, either some stars and glitter or a decal. And I quite liked this combo. It was fun and light and just playful is what it was. It was just a playful combo, and I really enjoyed them. Now, if you saw my Sephora haul, you would already know about these being added to my collection. If you haven't seen that video, I will put it right there for you. I have these two nail polishes. Now, this one was already in my collection, but this one is new to me, and I ended up pairing them. So this specific color all over all my nails, and then this color on the ring finger. And it is just lots of different colors, and I felt like it went really well with the burgundy. So Dream Escapade and Fireworks from Sephora. I highly recommend these little guys if you want to play with a number of different colors but don't want to commit to a full-size product. These are fantastic, and the aesthetics of it are so cute. And all you do is you take the cap off, and then you have the grip to open up the nail polish, and the nail polish brush is a full-size brush. So no frustration dealing with a tiny brush like the minis from Deborah Lippmann are very frustrating to me, and these are not. They feel like a full-size nail polish brush. I really liked the combo and will probably do it again. And finally, what am I wearing on my nails today? I have a combo. You'll see this color, and then this seems different, and that is the knee highs, which I really enjoy as a color. And then on the ring finger, I topped it with Phantom, which is a really neat color. And Phantom really does change the knee high color. Hopefully you can see it with the ring light. It changes the color to kind of more navy, less shiny, but with a purple that kind of changes the underlying color. And I really like this combo. It's not the first time that I use it, and I really enjoy it. And I enjoyed this color combo enough that I fixed 2 chips with more of the knee-high color because I didn't want to change my nail polish right away. And you nail lovers out there, I am actually getting really good about this. This is the longest my nails all across my 2 hands, the longest they've been in ages without having gel nails or anything like that. These are my natural nails, and I can't believe how long they are. I'm kind of a little bit shocked, and I'm just hoping I don't break one right away. I would love to have this throughout the holiday season. That would be lovely. Anyway, just a little happy bit of news that I absolutely did not expect to ever happen on these hands, I can tell you. Now, if you've made it this far, I have a surprise. Because I told you I missed the boat on the Mini Mani month for 2021. Well, someone came to my rescue, and let me show you what happened. I have a guardian angel, apparently, who lives in Ireland, and she did something that I cannot believe that she did. She ended up arranging for Ciaté in the US to ship me the Mini Mani month. I have the Mini Mani month for 2021 to continue on with the Advent Calendar nail polish reveal in 2021. I am so thankful, and I was overwhelmed by her doing that for me, and I may have a little something going across the pond to her as well. I promise I will film it for you. I'm sending her a care package from North America. But a big thank you to Steph. I really was at a loss for words. I still have trouble expressing how I feel about it. I'm not used to people doing stuff like that for me, so it was, yeah, overwhelming in a good way. So thank you, Steph, if you're watching. And for everyone else who enjoys seeing some nail polish content on this channel, you don't have to worry. There's going to be new stuff next year as well. And with that great little bit of news, I hope you enjoyed the review of what I wore during the month of November. And let me know if you have some specific color requests or questions about what it is that I wore, or any other nail polish related questions, or anything else for that matter. I'm open to whatever question you might have. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts. I look forward to hearing from you. And with that, I will say thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it every single time. And if you are new here and you're liking what you see, how about hitting that little subscribe button down there or at the very end of the video? I would really appreciate you considering doing so and joining the fam, so to speak. And with all that said, as usual, take care.